All right. So, what I want to do is give you a brief introduction to your new website and how you will go about navigating, managing, upkeeping. Don't want you to be at the mercy of a webmaster. No way, no how. So, we want to get you started here. First thing you have to do is log in. You'll be given a login for your website once you register for it. And we'll click on the login. This is my username. Yours will be different, obviously, but as you can see, I used lowercase letters with no spaces. So you can do it, however you want to do it, but just don't use spaces. You can use underscores or dashes, I believe, but I think that you have to do that. So let me put in my credential here. And I don't tell it to remember me, but you can. It's up to you. I'll leave a cookie there for you. All right, so what it'll do now, and depending on your access privileges, I'm an super administrator, so I can, basically see everything that's on this side of the dashboard. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is to create a page in the website. So you go over to this side right here, this side menu, and then you will click on, first of all, we're going to see how many pages are listed by clicking all pages. As you can see, there's only one page, and it gives you the option of either editing that page, doing a quick edit. A quick edit will allow you to do something, to this effect. And you'll be able to do that. There's some more information on this side. If I drag it over, and you can see that there's more information here that you'll have access to. So you can do things like edit it or move it to the trash, and you just hit apply. Once you check it off, you choose what you're going to edit, and then you check it off. Since we only have one item, I can rename this page to home, say for instance, and I give it a slug, which is home. Normally I wouldn't have to fill the slug in, but since it was already existing, I had to change the slug so that it identifies what the title is. So that's it. Now I can password protect this page. I can set it up to publish in a future date. But right now we're going to leave that as the default. Or I can even make this a private page so that only I can access it once I log in. As you can see right here, there are no sub pages. There's only parent. Once I create this page, though, I can create sub pages if I like. And I can also give it an order so that when we do maybe a custom widget or something, or custom menus, we'll show you that later. I don't want to allow any comments on pages. That just doesn't make sense. Maybe on posts, but not on pages. And then, of course, the status. You can pending or review or draft. You can do that because you may or may not want the public to see a page that you're working on, and you're still working on it, so it's not ready for everybody to see. So you can just go in the back end and access it that way. Just won't be able to access it from the front end of the site. So that being said, let's go over to the page now and create a new page. Let me drag this over. Let's create a new page. All right. Let's give it a title. Let's see, my new web page. Very creative, huh? So right here we have what we call the HTML editor. I'm going to switch. There's tabs over here on this side. Let's say HTML and visual. Visual will get you a Word-like interface. And HTML will give you, like, if you want to copy and paste code, like YouTube embed code, or other types of code. Right now we're going to stick with the visual editor, and we're going to go over here and quickly just show you what you can do. I'm just going to type in a little bit of text, some text. All right. So once that's typed in, I can give it choose the template. Different ones will be differently, but let's just say we'll go with that, and we'll just publish it like that. So now that I've published it, we'll take a look at it, and there it is, our new web page. Bam! Just that simple.